This Newair ice maker makes nugget ice. It's really nice. I love this kind of ice for water. I just got done running it for a couple hours and you can see that this ice is fantastic. It's really nice because of how compact it gets. It cools the liquid down faster than any kind of ice. This stuff is really nice. It does come with this scoop if you want to use that. So let's go ahead, and when you use it for the first time, you'll want to put the water in, and then you'll want to do the self-cleaning. So to do the self-cleaning, you just press and hold this button for a few seconds, and then it will go into self-cleaning mode. And you know that it's in the self-cleaning mode because this will blink white. And it basically just kind of cycles the water through everything. So we'll go ahead and give it a few minutes to do that. And there's a rubber stopper underneath here. So to drain the water, you just take that out and you're all set. So the instruction manual says that there's a max fill line somewhere in here, but I don't see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the basket in, and we're going to say that the top of this basket is as far as I want to fill it. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it with water. But now all I have to do is press turn on, and it will let me know if I need to add water, and it will also let me know when the ice is full. But let's let it run and see how it does. Okay, so it's a bit hard to see, but what's going on is the ice gets pushed up, and then there's a bar that goes around in a circle. Then when the ice gets high enough, the bar goes around, it breaks it off from the top, and then eventually it just pushes it out, and then it comes down in here, and that's how you get your ice. Alright, here is the ice. This is nice. This scoop is perfect for this. Good stuff. Alright, let's try this out with some cream soda. Let's see how nice this ice is. Alright, that is looking good. This kind of ice is perfect for making a drink super cold. We finally got to the ice tray is full, which yes it is. This nugget style I really like using with tumblers like this because it just stays really cold for a long time in tumblers. This ice maker was sent to me so I could do this video review. I've used a lot of different ice makers. This is the first one I've used that does nugget ice. Now I love nugget ice for water. It cools water down really fast. It's great for just a glass of water or for tumblers or things like that. And of course it works well for any drink. I think bigger ice is what I prefer for soda, but for water, this 100% is the best kind of ice you can get in my opinion, and this ice maker works really well. One thing I really like about this is it is more compact than other ice makers, so it doesn't take up as much room. So this thing is just really fantastic. I highly recommend it. It's a really good ice maker.